Hello friends, in the previous video we have learned about the HTML basics, HTML tag, head tag and the body tag. In the head tag what we are doing, in the body, in between the body tag what we are doing, and meta information, how we are adding the title and description, all thing. And also learn about the heading and the paragraph. But now in this video tutorial we are going to create fresh start to create uh, as a website, but we will learn also CSS uh, basics, how we are applying CSS. Okay, so goes into file, create new file, and we need to select here the in the bottom HTML and type here HTML, control space in the keyboard, control space in the keyboard and enter. Then you will get the HTML format, title, meta information and the body also. So first control S to save and select the desktop, and here we will add web 002. Okay, here we will type the index. Okay, so window D, open this and just once. You can see here I have no the data. So now I am going to add style tag. Okay, style, control space. This is a style tag. In between the style tag we can uh, add the CSS. Okay, before the starting the CSS uh, in the this section we need to understand uh, what is the CSS types. First have inline CSS, second have internal CSS, third one external CSS. What we are going to applying here, this is a internal CSS, and when we are create new file and add the that location of the CSS, then that part is goes for the external CSS. What we are doing for the inline CSS, how we are applying the inline CSS, basically this is a body tag. Okay, in the body we want to add some style like a CSS, so we need to add style here. Okay, and here we will add background red or something 00. Okay, add 00. This is a inline CSS, it's called inline CSS. What we are going to same tag add a style uh, attribute. This is called as a tag attribute, HTML tag attribute style. We can add the CSS part here. Control S and reload this page. You can see CSS is applied in the body. If you want to add the some headings here, so here I am adding H1 or H inline CSS. This is heading. Okay, again we will add here style. Okay, and add here the color white, triple M. Control S and reload this page. You can see here applying as a inline CSS in this section for the heading. External, what we are going to applying here, if you want to external CSS, then we need to remove from here. Okay, and we need to add here h1. This is a element selector called as a element selector because element have the h1. Okay, and this is a selector. Control S and reload this page. Okay, if you want to add something in the internal CSS, so size 40 px. Control S and reload this page. We are not applying. We need to add the font size. Okay, and text decoration, upper, text transform, we will add transfer uppercase. Okay, and reload this page. You can see here we can apply the as a class selector in the internal CSS. Here we can add the for the body also. Cut this and remove this. Body selector and paste here. And reload this page. Still applying. We want to add something here also. We want to change the color of the background. So 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, and reload. Here not working because the code is wrong. We can change the code from the editor. Right click and inspect. We need to select the body and we can change the color up from here. Okay, and copy this code and paste here. Remove the extra hatch. Control S and reload this page. Color is applied. Okay, so how we are applying the external CSS. Now I am going to create a new file. Control N or goes to file and select new file, and here we will add what we have added in the this style tag. No need to add whole style in this CSS part. First we will save. Before saving we need to choose the here CSS. Okay, and Control S to add new folder CSS. Here we will put style, save, and we will check what we have added here. You can see here the style.css file. So now I am going to cut this in between the style tag. Control X and paste here. We need to remove this tag from here, not required. Control S. We need to link also. We have not linked here. So link rel style sheet type text.css href. What will be css and backspace style dot css, because we have added in the css folder in the root folder, and have the name of the style dot css. You can see css folder and the name is style dot css. Okay, so Control S and reload this page. Still not working. We need to check why it's not working. Okay, we have not saved here. Control S and reload this page. You can see CSS is applied. This CSS called as a external CSS. This is a very important CSS types to use in the long and the heavy project. When we are work for the very long project or any uh, in the job, then required external CSS is very important, because there have the too many files. How we can change for every file? We will change one place, it will reflect all the pages. So I hope you understand how we are applying CSS and how many types of the CSS. So we will meet in the next video for the third class of the website design. So thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video for web design course tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.